Welcome to the course. Today we'll learn how to install Metasploit in our web browser, in our VirtualBox. So first of all, we learn setting of Metasploit. What is Metasploitable? Metasploitable is an intentionally vulnerable enough virtual machine. This VM can be used to conduct security training, test security, and practice common penetration testing and techniques. The virtual machine is compatible with VirtualBox and other common virtualization platforms. It is used to best resources to practice penetration in the VirtualBox and in local environment. So mm, here is the process of installation in the Metasploitable device in VirtualBox. So first of all, you have to download VirtualBox or VMware workstation in your machine. So download Metasploitable from their official site, sourceforge.net project Metasploitable. And once downloaded, extract it. It contains both VMware and VirtualBox versions. Now open VirtualBox in network setting. Change the network setting to virtual network one. Turn on the both Kali machine as well as Metasploitable and try to check connectivity with ping command. So now let's just start practical. So first of all, open your file, go to search for Metasploitable. I have Metasploitable downloaded and it's also extracted here, already extracted. So I am doing it again for you. Integrate it and extract it again after extracted. Once extracted, just click and you are able to see the Metasploitable. So close all and open your VirtualBox. Reach VirtualBox and click on new. Just write off now name Metasploitable or anything as you want and select Linux. This because this is Linux best and select Linux 64. After selecting the click on continue, assign storage or hardware as you want, and for now I am just leaving it as it is. And now configure the settings. Right click and click on settings, system, display, storage, and storage. Here I now select Metasploiter and open. Once done, just go to the network setting. In network setting, you can use internet network, but here I'm going to use bridge adapter. So okay, and now start. For a moment, it will be automatically get started. Let's wait for a moment. Once it loaded, the pop-up will be appear here, and after that we can install. So this is pop-up, and now Metasploitable is installing or configuring of. After this process we can start our virtual machine or check virtual machine with ping command through the Linux. The for Metasploiter login, the default password is MSS admin and username also MS admin. You can log in username and password. After we get login, MSF admin, SF admin. Once you log in, now check clear all and check your IP address. Also open Kali machine. Once Kali open, now minimize it and see. Minimize it and now ping this machine with Metasploitable or this Metasploitable with Kali. So I am just clear this and ping the IP address 10 0 12 161 and click enter once click there. This means the packet the system is live. We are getting reply from Metasploitable. Th- This is working. And that's all for today. So we'll learn more in next lecture. So thanks for watching.